Hey, my amazing and royal family. My name is Flawlessly. If you're seeing this face today, I say welcome. Yes, in today's video, I want to talk about this. Can you see this? This is Orbi 20. It's a face cream. And it's written here anti-max cream, okay? And it states here that it clears freckles and dark cycle. That is what it's in here. Yes, I would kind of recommend this. It's like shelling on those that are suffering pigments. Okay, like this is pigment. Okay, that you get like pimples. These are pigments on your face. Okay, so I would kind of recommend this. The ingredients used on this product, it's beautiful and it's not harmful. Okay, let's open the way it is. Let me bring it out. Okay, this is the leaflet. Let's read a little bit. Let me just go straight. It said it treats as suitable for the following: pimples and anti-marks. Okay, acne, under eye dark cycles, light and dark marks, black nose, head spots, vitiligo, removes the darkness of tired looking cycle under eye, remove tans and sun spots. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, sorry, let me show you. This is how it is. I will really recommend this, and I want you to get it in a good store, the original, because we have fake everywhere. Okay, this is how it is. Let's open it and this is how it looks. Can you see that? You can see a little some little thing like a scrub inside. This is how it is, the original. Okay, if you're battling with dark cycle, sunburn, fringos, malisma, dark, anything that is dark, I will recommend this for you to go get it and try it. Okay, yes, after some stress that I've gone through, like I said in my other video, I'm just coming back. So I said I'll be dropping a video back to back now, but most especially, I won't be putting on makeups the way you see me wear my makeup, because I'm treating my face right about now. And I will advise you also, if you're treating your face, please stay away from makeup. Okay. Yes, this thing clears very well. I can tell you that it works perfectly okay. Yes, I said I will teach us a twist on this, a twist on it. If you are battling with that dark cycle, you have tried everything you can, and that cycle is still there, or you have that dark mark that is very dark, I will tell you, get this and get this. This is Parley Goldie. Okay, I told us on the other video that I will show us a trick. Okay, am I getting it? Okay, this is it. This is the right way. This is Parley Goldie. Okay, get this Parley Goldie. Get this Orbi 20. Take little from Orbi 20, little from Parley Goldie. Mix it and apply under your dark area. Dab. Okay, when you dab, it sink. You don't rub. You dab this way. Okay, and please, if you're using this tool that I just mentioned now, use it at night only. Please, at night only. This is Shelly. You don't wear Shelly and walk under the sun. It will darken you and cause more damage on your skin than good. Okay, when you are done with this, with the first set, I think by God's grace you would have seen a good number of good results. Your face would have reduced, as in that dark cycle, if it's not clear completely, it has reduced to like 80%. So I will advise you to go and try it. Use your soap, apply it at night, wash it off in the morning, then apply your sunscreen. Okay, go to your work, no makeup, please do not apply makeup. Just take a little powder and just dab, go. When you are done with treating your face, then you can apply your makeup. Okay, I hope this video today is helpful, and if it is, what are you waiting for? Join the moving and trending family flawlessly. Okay, you are welcome. Thank you for staying, for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye bye.